Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see how we can copy a file to another place or another folder or directory, and how we can delete a file from one particular location. So for this we have to import the shutil library, shutil module and the OS module. So what is the shutil module? A shutil module offers high-level operations on a file like copy, removal of files, and directories. It comes under Python standard utility modules. And what is a OS module? It has methods to create files and directories and manages the files and directories. So with the help of shutil and OS, let's see how we can copy a file from one location to another location and how we can delete a file from one particular location. I've written the code, let me execute it. So I'm having two buttons, select file and copy, select file and delete. Let me select file and copy initially. It will show D:(Python programs because I given my initial directory as D:(Python programs. And in this, let me select my file called apple.jpg. So let me open it. So now it will ask the folder in which I want to copy. So let me copy it in the image folder. Select folder. So it gets copied into the image folder. The apple.jpg file gets copied into the image folder. So when I go to D:(Python programs, image, apple.jpg file has been copied into this particular folder. So this is how the copy works. Now let me delete a file. So let me select on select file and delete. So I want to delete the Apple file. So let me say, sorry, I want to select file and delete. So I'm selecting D:(Python programs, image folder. I'm selecting Apple, open, and it gets deleted. So now when I go to my image folder, now if I go into my D drive, Python programs, image folder, the Apple image no longer is present. It has been deleted. So now let's see how we can copy and delete in, in Tkinter in this particular session. So initially from Tkinter, import star, from Tkinter, import file dialog, and I'm importing another two modules. One is shutil and the other one is OS. So now let me create my main screen by calling win equal to tk, win.title. I'm giving it equal to copy and delete file. Delete file. Win.geometry. I'm giving it equal to 210 over 250 pixels. Now let me create two buttons, one for copying the file and the other button for deleting the file. So let me say button 1 equal to button place it in the main window. Text on it is equal to select, file and copy. And the command which I'm going to give is equal to copy. Now let me place it onto my screen. The button1 dot place x equal to 80 and y equal to 10. Now let me create one more button for deleting the file. So button2 is equal to button, place it in the main window, text equal to select, file and delete. And the command equal to delete button2 dot place x equal to 80, y equal to 50. Now let me call my main event loop win dot main loop. So now I have to give the functionality for copy and delete. So initially let me say def copy so let me say def copy and then let me say file to copy. So the file to copy is equal to file dialog dot ask open file name. So this we have already seen in the previous session. Ask open file name, and here let me give the file types is equal to in list format, and within that in the tuple format I'm giving all files, comma star dot star. So it is selecting all the files, and there I'm not given any initial directory, so it will show the default directory initially. So ask open file name, user can select the file of his choice, and the path of it will be stored in file to copy. After selecting the file, now I have to select the location where the file needs to be copied. So let me say destination folder equal to file dialog dot ask directory. So it will select the folder of the user's choice. It will select the folder of the user's choice. Now let me use my shutil library, shutil.copy. Then I'm specifying file to copy, comma to the destination folder. So folder. So here the file to copy is copied to the destination folder. So with the help of shutil.copy, we can copy the file to the desired folder. The folder user can select with the help of ask directory, and the file to copy the user can select with ask open file name. And similarly for deleting, def delete, then I have to say file to delete. So user has to select the file to delete equal to file dialog dot ask open file name ask open file name, and he has to be give user can select the file of his choice. So let me say in square brackets, let me give on tuple, let me specify all files, comma, star dot star. It should not be, should be square brackets, square brackets. So he can select from all the file types. File types is equal to all files. Let me give file types equal to all the files. So file types is all the files. And after this we have to delete the file. So I'm using OS module, os.remove function, os.path dot absolute path. Then I'm giving file to delete. File to delete. So in this way, with the help of shutil, we can copy the file to the desired location, and with the help of OS module, we can remove the file from the desired location. So now let me execute it. So I'm getting two buttons. One is select file and copy, and the other is select file and delete. So first let me say copy, select file and copy. So it is showing Python programs image. So let me copy my image one. So let me open, and it is asking for the folder. So let me select details. Let me select Python programs. Okay, Python programs, and say select folder. So my image should be copied to Python programs. So now when I am looking into Python programs and date modified, so my image one has been copied to Python programs. Now this image one I want to delete from Python programs. So let me select file and delete button. Let me say image one I want to delete from Python programs. So the file gets deleted. Now let us cross check. Python programs, date modified. The file image one is not present. So it has been deleted from the desired location. So friends, with the help of shutil.copy and os.remove, we can copy the file and remove the file from the desired locations. So friends, if you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button, and please do subscribe to get notification of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.